Hi, my name is Andre Tupel. I work in Maximo Level 2 support, and today I will show you how to add a browser view button on a Maximo application. Browser view enables a report automatically displaying in a separate report browser via one click on the toolbar. First, we're logging on to Maximo. For this example, we go into the SLA application and we open an SLA. So as you can see, there is no browser view button here on the screen. So we can add that. First we go to Administration, Report, Report Administration. Now we search for the SLA application and we using the SLA report. Here on the screen by settings you will see the browser view option. We click this on, and to see that on the screen we have the toolbar sequence. We make that number 1 and we click on Save. Now we go back to the SLA application. Now we open an SLA and now you have an extra option here is browser view. Now you can click on that and the report will run automatically, and there is the report. Dit is all. Thank you for watching this video.